Primary pulmonary hypertension, PPH, also known as pulmonary arterial hypertension or PAH, is a rare and deadly lung disorder linked to the use of certain diet drugs. PPH and PAH can develop years after taking diet drugs. If you or someone you know took diet drugs and are being treated for PPH or PAH, you may be entitled to substantial monetary compensation. For a free consultation, contact Peterson & Associates toll-free at 1-877-DRUG-GIANT or go to druglawfirm.com.
Attention retired NFL players. The NFL concussion settlement could result in a wide range of payouts to former players. The NFL may have advised that you don't need a lawyer, but hiring one could help maximize your payout. An incomplete examination by a doctor may significantly lower your payout, while submitting incorrect paperwork could lead to a complete denial. The Kairos Law Group believes you should have the opportunity to speak to a lawyer for free before filing a claim. We have been fighting for retired NFL players since 2012, seeking health care and compensation for their injuries. We now represent hundreds of former NFL players with varying degrees of head injuries, from mood swings, depression and memory loss, to Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, dementia, ALS, and CTE. If you or a loved one is suffering from any of these issues, call now for a free, no-obligation review of your claim. Let us maximize your payout from the NFL. Call 1-800-480-3940.
Stevens-Johnson syndrome, or SJS, and toxic epidermal necrolysis, or TENS, are severe skin diseases that can cause a painful and blistering skin rash, peeling skin, and blistering sores that can result in death. SJS and TENS can be caused by drugs like Dilantin, Motrin, and Advil. If you or someone you know has been diagnosed with SJS or TENS, you may be entitled to compensation. For a free consultation, contact Peterson & Associates toll-free at 877-DRUG-GIANT or go to druglawfirm.com.
The spokesperson is not a lawyer.
Attention patients who develop SUPERBUG CRE infections. Contaminated medical scopes used in over 500,000 annual procedures have been linked to SUPERBUG CRE infections. The FDA stated that these scopes may expose patients to potentially lethal infections that are resistant to antibiotics. If you were hospitalized for a SUPERBUG CRE infection or your loved one died from the infection, call Chafin Luhana at 1-800-777-7340 for a free consultation. Call 1-800-777-7340.
The following message is brought to you by whymeso.com.
People who have been diagnosed with mesothelioma have many questions.
How did I get this disease? What are my treatment options? How will this affect my loved ones?
You need answers, which is why we offer a free book written by medical professionals who have treated mesothelioma.
Call toll-free at 1-800-999-1075 or go to whymeso.com.
Attention Avandia users. If you or a loved one has taken Avandia for type 2 diabetes and suffered a heart attack, heart failure, stroke, liver failure, or vision loss, call Handler, Henning & Rosenberg at 1-800-LAW-4000 for a free consultation. Attention ATV accident victims. If you or a loved one has been seriously injured or killed in a Yamaha Rhino rollover accident, you may be entitled to compensation. Call 1-888-4-BECKER right now for a free consultation. Rhino ATVs are defective and prone to rollover. The Becker Law Office represents victims who were injured or killed while driving Yamaha Rhino ATVs. If you were injured in a Yamaha Rhino rollover accident, call the Becker Law Office at 1-888-4-BECKER right now.
This is a consumer alert.
I'm Terry Crouppen. My law firm fights giant companies. Here's what we're tracking right now. Toner shoes, also known as shape-up or rocker bottom shoes, have been linked to many serious injuries. These round bottom shoes, which are designed to be unstable, have been associated with stress fractures, trips and falls, broken bones, and serious tendon and ligament damage. We can help. We're Brown & Crouppen. Call us anytime for free at 777-7777.
If you or a loved one has suffered from a femur or thigh fracture, Fosamax, a commonly prescribed osteoporosis medication, could be to blame. Fosamax is used in the treatment of osteoporosis in postmenopausal women. Femur fractures do not usually occur without trauma. If you suffered a femur or thigh fracture and were on Fosamax, call 1-800-BAD-DRUG. You may be entitled to compensation. It is urgent for you to act immediately to protect your legal rights. If you took Fosamax and suffered from a femur or thigh fracture side effects, call 1-800-BAD-DRUG now.
If you have diabetes and have taken the drug Avandia, you may be entitled to a cash award. If you or someone you know has suffered a heart attack, stroke, or even died while taking Avandia, call attorney Jim Adler right now.
I'm Jim Adler, the tough, smart lawyer. If you or a loved one is taking this drug, call me right now. You may be entitled to a cash award.
If you've taken Avandia and have had a heart attack or stroke, call attorney Jim Adler right now at 713-777-4000.
Driving along, minding your own business, a truck smashes into you. The insurance company seems so nice on TV. Now it won't even pay for your medical bills. That's just not right. I'm Jim Adler. Getting hurt wasn't supposed to happen to you, but it did. You never thought you'd need a lawyer. Now you do. For over 25 years, injured Texans have turned to me and my team of lawyers to get the respect they deserve. Call us. We could help you.
Attention, St. Joseph's Hospital stent patients. If you or a family member received a warning letter from St. Joseph's Medical Center in Towson, Maryland about medical concerns regarding a stent procedure, you have important legal rights. Call Science & Kirk's dedicated 24-hour hotline at 1-888-STENT-11 or visit youhavealawyer.com. If you received this warning letter, call now to protect your legal rights. Call 1-888-STENT-11 for a free consultation.